Hi and welcome. Today I'll show you how to create a brand new garden bed so that you can plant shrubs, flowers, or trees to beautify your property. I've just begun tackling my backyard this year, so I'll show you the process as I go through it. To begin, you'll need measuring tape, scissors, and jute twine. Starting at your fence, measure the desired width of your garden bed. Then drive a small metal stake into the ground to make your mark. In my case, I just dug a sturdy stick into the ground, that will do as well, and it was about 30 inches away from my fence. Repeat this process where you want your garden bed to end. Then tie the jute twine from one stake to the other, creating a straight line. For the next step, you'll need your edger. Now this part is pretty simple. Dig a straight line with your edger. You'll notice I'm wiggling the edger left and right, and that's really just so I loosen up the soil a little bit. I should also mention that it's best to do this when the soil is moist. It was springtime, so we got lots of rain this week, which made my job much easier. If you find the soil is dry in your area, water your lawn a day before you start this project. Here I'm cutting up the grass into smaller subsections so that it's easier to pull out. Now you'll need your shovel. Dig at an angle with your shovel so that you meet the first line that you created with the edger. This will also make it easier to pull out the grass, which is exactly what I'm doing here. If you prefer, you can use your shovel. So this is what your garden bed should look like once you've pulled out all of the grass from the edge. Now you want to remove the layer of grass as well as turn over the top few inches of soil. It's a bit of work, but nothing some standard elbow grease can't accomplish. We removed quite a bit of grass, and rather than getting rid of it, I just used the grass to patch up some bare areas of my lawn, which ended up saving me quite a bit of time. The final step involved using a bow rake as well as a regular garden rake. I went over everything with the bow rake, trying to make the bed as level as possible, as well as breaking up any large chunks of soil as I went along. I then went over it one final time with my garden rake. And here's the final product, a nice, level, new garden bed, ready for compost, some fresh topsoil, and new plantings. Keep an eye out for my next video to learn how to plant shrubs in your newly created garden bed. Thanks for watching.